Let's face it, money can be a tricky topic. Choosing to do a procedure or treatment out of pocket can be an extra concern to some. When it comes to affordability, some people save up over time with a goal of a procedure in mind. The cost of these procedures will vary depending on a number of factors. For example, whether it requires multiple sessions and what kind of treatment it is. Health and wellness financing companies offer loans and healthcare credit cards specifically designed to finance medical procedures. One of those options available to you at our practice is a plan offered through Care Credit. It allows you to pay in set monthly installments over 24 months, completely interest-free. The application process is quick and easy, and because the process involves a soft credit check, applying doesn't affect your credit score. If this sounds interesting to you, be sure to ask about it at your consultation. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.